So there's been some questions about the textures and trees assignment. I think kind of what's happening is it's just this idea that there are two assignments in one. And it's true, there's two assignments here, but you're going to upload them as one assignment as a Word document. So you've got all this information that I created for you about composition. So you need to look at all this information. Do not skip this information. You are expected to know this information. This is part of what you are expected to know in the outcomes of the curriculum. Okay, so you need to go through and read the information about composition and how you create strong composition. Then what we're going to do is a compositional assignment. So you're basically just going to be looking at all these examples of different types of textures that you can create. And you can create your own texture. These are just this author, these are the textures that they created, but you can create any textures with your tool that you can create. You're going to fill a 24-inch by 18-inch mixed media page with a variety of marks. What is a variety of marks? It's just marks, y'all. No pictures, okay? That's the big difference. I don't want pictures. I don't want images. I don't want marks that kind of look like something. Like, I don't want you to start making marks with your pencil and then go, oh, that kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. I'm going to make that Mickey Mouse. I don't want that. This is non-representational, okay? So you can see non-representational, which we talked about in one of our first discussions. Abstraction comes from nature, non-representational comes from nothing. So we're just thinking here about the interaction of the material on the surface. So you're going to fill a sheet of mixed media paper with different types of marks. Okay, you're going to use your graphite stick, the water-soluble one. You can even take that water-soluble one. It's the one that says Lyra. It's got the blue wrap around it. You can even liquefy it with water and see what happens when you do that. It's really easy to do that. You have a brush in your kit. Just make a mark on the page and then touch it with some water from your brush and it will liquefy. So totally feel free to play around with that. Once you've filled the page with marks, then you're going to take a piece of printer paper or any type of paper, I don't really care, but you're going to cut out a 9-by-6-inch window. Okay, so literally you're taking a piece of paper and from the center of it, you're going to cut out a 6-by-9 window. Okay, and then this is going to be used to find rectangles of small compositions that you like. So use the cut piece of paper, look through the 6-inch by 9-inch window and move it around your page of marks. And when you come to an area that feels really nice, cut it out of the big paper. So in the end, you're going to have 4 small 6-inch by 9-inch drawings made from one 24 by 18-inch page. So your 4 small drawings are going to be made from the large page, which you're going to cut out. But I don't want you to just cut out for rectangles. I want you to use this framing tool and frame areas on the page that you like. Mark them, and then you can cut those out. So you're going to have 4 small compositions made by cutting out 6-inch by 9-inch rectangles from the large 24 by 18-inch page. Okay. Now, the next assignment is the trees. So there are 20 examples of trees here with 20 processes or 20 approaches. You're going to mimic these approaches, but you're going to draw your own tree. So you need to find a tree that inspires you, and you're going to draw the tree 20 times. You can make one good drawing of the tree and then trace it 20 times. I don't mind. It's up to you. But the idea here is that you're going to draw the same tree 20 times with 20 different approaches. You're focusing mostly in the darks and the relationship between the darks and the lights, okay? What you are not doing is drawing every single leaf, because you cannot draw every single leaf. Again, to sort of bring this up, if you want to really get some great discussion about how to do this, Watch Bob Ross. He's really great at looking at really big shapes. So you're looking at these really big shapes. So you're using the 20 examples as guides to create your own tree 20 times with graphite. It's going to fill the page. It should be 5 rows of 4 trees in each column. They should be numbered, and it should be nice and clean. And the pages say bringing for critique, but obviously you're going to take photographs and put them into a Word document and upload them. So I hope that that helps. If you've got more questions, email me and I will try to clarify further.